Hi guys, welcome back to Celeb Gossip Entertainment. So guys, when they say indaba zabantu abayitu azingenwa, it's exactly that. Indaba zabantu abayitu azingenwa, guys. But yes guys, before we get into the video, please make sure that you subscribe if you are new to this channel. Please make sure that you watch the ads and also like the video for the YouTube algorithm. So guys, Kelvin Momo and Ubabala M are back together, guys. They are back together and going strong. Okay, so as we all know, for those who don't know, they broke up, I think about a few weeks ago. They broke up because Kelvin Momo got someone new. He got someone new and it was all over. So there were also pictures of them together, and then they broke up. And Ubabalwa M is his longtime girlfriend, guys. And then now today there's a picture of Kelvin Momo posting Ubabalwa M on TikTok. Kelvin Momo posted Ubabalwa M on TikTok, remarking his territory and stuff. So I guess guys, it is what it is. I guess they are back together and people are so happy that they are back together again. And then someone commented and said the version of izindaba zabantu azingenwa. And then Kelvin Momo commented and said crossed fingers. So as we all know, Kesana, crossed fingers is true nje indaba zabantu azingenwa ngempela. So people are just happy that they are back together because Ubabala has been there for him, through thick and thin. So yes guys, and this is the girl that almost snatched Kevin Momo from Ubabalwa M. This is the girl. So this picture started trending and stuff, So I'm guessing maybe like Kelvin Momo realized that he made a mistake and went to apologize to his longtime girlfriend Ubabalwa M, which is a good thing. We are happy for them, and may they continue to just grow stronger, man, and don't let any obstacle come between them, So I'm guessing Ukel Kesana, she's the obstacle now. She's the obstacle. We've been through a lot. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe. I will see you on my next one.